Assalamu alaikum grade 7 students. I hope that you all are fine. I am your computer science teacher Haider Ali. Students, our today's topic is watermark. We need to understand the meaning of watermark and how we have to apply or insert a watermark in a Word document. Moving towards the basic definition of watermark, a watermark is a picture or a text that shows up faintly behind the text on a Word document page. So it is very obvious that a watermark can be a picture, or you can say a watermark can be a text as well. So here are the further steps that how we have to set a watermark in a Word document. Your step number 1 is you have to open a Word document in which you want to add a watermark. Definitely, if you are supposed to insert a watermark in any document, first of all you have to open that Word document, and then you have to click the page layout tab, and then click the watermark button to display a list of standard watermark options. Here you can see in the diagram that here we have a page layout tab. Once you click the page layout tab, then watermark tab will appear. Here you can click the watermark button in order to insert a watermark. As I have told you before that a watermark can be a text or can be a picture. So if you want to apply a watermark of text, then you can insert these watermarks. Otherwise, we have an option of custom watermark in which we can insert a picture as a watermark, and we will see that too. Okay, when we have here, then we have a step number 3 in which we can select any available standard mark by simple clicking on it, and this will be applied to all of the pages of the Word. This is very interesting, students, that let's suppose your document is comprised of 3 pages and you're supposed to insert a watermark in a Word document. Then it is not like you have to insert a watermark on each page individually. No, you just have to insert a watermark in the very first page and it will automatically be inserted into all the pages of your Word document. Now here you will see that how we have to insert a watermark. This is the home tab, this is the page layout tab. You have to click the page layout tab, and then here it comes a watermark. You have to click the watermark button, and here we have 4 options by default that we can insert any one from it. Yes, let's suppose we click a watermark, this one, the confidential. Now you can see that this watermark has been added to all of your pages. Here you can see the faded text behind the text. Here you can see the faded text behind the text. Now here you can see very clearly in a Word document that now you have inserted a watermark, a text watermark that is present in back of your text and in a faded manner. This is class how you have to insert a watermark. You can say insert a text watermark. Now if you are supposed to insert a watermark, or you can say insert a picture watermark, then what you have to do? You will follow the simple steps once again. You will go to page layout button, and then you will press the watermark button. After that, here it's written custom watermark. You will click custom watermark, and then you can click on this check button, picture watermark. After clicking it, here is an option select picture. Now whatever the picture is you want to apply, or you can say you want to insert in a Word document, you will click this select picture and it will get to your drives. Now from here you can select any of the picture by going in any folder or in any drive. I just want to insert this picture, stay home, stay safe. As you know, it's the second wave of coronavirus, so everybody should stay home and stay safe. So I am going to insert this picture as a watermark now. So I will click this picture and then click insert, and then I'll click apply and then OK. Now you can see that this picture has been added in a Word document as a watermark. Here you can see very clearly we have a picture watermark that is present behind your text and in a faded way. So this is how we have to apply a watermark, this is how we have to apply a text watermark, and how to apply a picture watermark. I hope that you have understood this lecture and this practical as well. Now your task is you have to insert a watermark, like you have to create a Word document and then you have to insert a watermark in that, and you have to submit your task or submit your document in USB, or you can share on WhatsApp as well. Thank you very much class, we'll see you in the next lecture. Till that, take care everybody. Allah Hafiz.